Moto Guru.
In this video, I'm going to install a Brodit ProClip and Brodit phone holder in my 2005 Volvo S40. Now, I know this isn't really to do with Garmin devices or motorcycles, but in my experience, most motorcycle riders are also car enthusiasts, so there is some crossover here and wanting to have a nice solution to mount your phone in the car. So the first step is to get the correct phone holder. So if you go on the Brodit website and put in your phone details, they'll tell you which phone holder you need. Then from there, we need to adjust the phone holder. So we do this by loosening the two screws on the front of the phone holder, and that enables the arms here to just move in and out. There's a sort of mechanism behind that. So if you slide your phone in and press the arms together, that will be the right size for your phone. Now what I've done is just press it in a tiny bit more so that it fits a bit more snug. You may wish to do that too. So from there you simply tighten the screws, and now the phone will fit snugly in there every time. Now a great thing about this design is it's not a ratchet or a universal type solution. It really is snug and nice and correct for your phone. So the next thing we need to do is consider the Brodit ProClip. So I ordered one here for the left-hand drive Volvo S40, even though my car is right-hand drive, because I like to mount my phone on the left-hand vent. It's just a neater solution for me in my car. So that's what I ordered. Now these brackets again are really nice. They're bespoke to the vehicle. You see they've got the correct curves for the dashboard. So that is a really nice piece. So the next step we need to do is detach the sort of back plate from the phone holder, like so. And this is what we mount to the ProClip, and it comes with the correct screws to go ahead and do that. It's fairly straightforward. So let's move to the car and see how we get on with the installation.
Right, so here we are in the car. Here's the ProClip, and it clips in just here. So I'm going to try something slightly different today. I've got some furniture polish, so I'm going to spray that a little bit on the clip, just because the last one I installed was really quite stiff. So we snap the top bit in here, like so, and the bottom bit in there, and you just wiggle it a bit and it snaps into place, and now that's in position. Now you can slide it across and back a little bit, but you see that's now absolutely rock solid, and that's the benefit of using these types of clips. But having used furniture polish for this installation, I would recommend you use that, because that slid in a lot easier than the previous clip that I installed. So now we need to install the phone mount. And finally the phone holder itself. So this lines up here. We just screw it in place. Give it a few extra turns. Now there's some resistance on that. You can position it to where you want it to be. So for me it'd be about there. And now we're good to go. I would mount the phone in it, but I'm actually using the phone to film at the moment, but it fits really nicely. And yeah, that's the installation. Rock solid. Great solution for mounting your phone in your car.
And for completeness, here is an image of my phone in the holder. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.